Hi, my name is Aleesha, Customer Success Advocate here at Solutions PT. And in today's video, I'm going to be going over how to manage users within your Flex portal. And this is just for anyone that's moved on to the new Flex licensing system. Okay, so for those of you who may not know, Flex is a new commercial and licensing model that allows users to exchange credits for licenses and to acquire licenses on a usage basis. One of the features of the Flex portal is its users, and today I will be going over a quick demo on how to manage, create, edit, and delete users within your portal. So to manage users, you must be a site admin. A designated site admin from your organizations will be decided when you first purchase your Flex agreement. Once a site admin has been decided, they would simply go onto the pane on the right-hand side and select the Manage Users option. Here, site admins can create, remove, and assign roles to other users for the sites that they have been assigned. To add a new user, you would navigate to the Add Edit Users option and enter the user's first and last name, as well as their corporate email. The user will first have to be registered with the software support site, and this is with the same email. They will not have access to the Flex portal until they do so. You will then decide if they are a standard user or an approver. If your site has an approver, then all license requests and returns will have to be approved by the approver before they can be completed. Okay, so you will next select the user that will be associated with and select the roles that they have for each site. A user can have different roles for different sites. So now you actually see a whole range of roles that the user can be defined as within your Flex system. And I'll go over each one of them quickly now. So first of all, we have our read only. This means that the user can view the Flex portal, but cannot make any license requests or returns and cannot download anything as well. Next, we have our create option, and this just means that the user can create a license request, but cannot download anything. This is useful for people that are managing the licenses, but aren't directly on site. Then we have our download option. This means that the user can only download the licenses, but cannot create any of the requests. We then have the create and download option, and this just means that the user can download and create licenses for an associated site. And then finally, we have our site admin. And as you know, the site admin can create, remove, and assign roles for other users on their site. A site admin can also edit existing users and roles. You can do this by navigating to the Add Edit option again, and then selecting the user that you wish to modify. Then when the user's information is populated, you would modify as required and then save or cancel. And finally, let's go over how to remove a user from your Flex portal. To do this, again, you would go to the Add Edit Users option, select the user that you wish to remove, and then select the small X on the right-hand side. If you wish to, you can add the user again at a later time using the steps discussed at the start of the video. And that brings us to the end of our video. Hopefully this was useful and you learned a thing or two about managing users within your Flex portal. Until next time, bye.